Angut ki dikhat bakarpang ka bakanthop UMP ka Lok Sabha na Indore u Shankar Lalwani baru MP ka Rajya Sabha u Sumer Singh Solanki Iakynduh ya u Chief Secretary Jong ka Sarkar Jalla u ba DP Walang bat ki hep pulit mentaka sengi ban keren bat pej banyak Halor ka Jingjah ki arngut ki Kurim ki belajar ngai ki bade na ka Jalla Indore ki belajar ngai hasora na du ka apusal terik u Jemang Habai keren bakinong pathai khubor u Lalwani u lapan pau ya ka jing sunghun ya ki jing pesang ki blale ha ka banwa ikini ki arngut ki Kurim. Shu menteri rangba ka Jalla u kondat ki sangma u lakular ban ai ki la jingrap kat bala banyarap banwa ikini ki Shujur ki badangja.
Can you tell us your meeting with the Chief Secretary?
The meeting of couple before IR secretary. We have talked to Chief Secretary and police officer. They told we are doing our level best and wait for time. We will come out the solution. नहीं हमने इनसे कहा है कि आप और इसको आगे बढ़ाएं और मुझे लगता है कि they are doing level best. Hopes we will come out with this problem.
सर आप कहाँ से आए हो?
Member of Parliament Indore, मध्य प्रदेश, and Member of Parliament राज्यसभा मध्य प्रदेश.
सर वहाँ सोरा जाने का कुछ विचार है सर?
They are planning and the family member are here. They will go.
In the recent few days, an unfortunate incident had happened where a couple, a newlywed couple from the state of Madhya Pradesh, had come to Meghalaya, to Sora, Cherrapunji area, and we got reports that they went missing. It's a very, very unfortunate situation. My counterpart from Madhya Pradesh, Honorable Chief Minister, has spoken to me. I've received a call from the Home Minister's Office, Government of India, and I've been monitoring the situation personally on a daily basis. The SP, as well as the entire administration, the police force has been on the job 24/7 to find the couple, and not only our administration but entire village and community in that area is also participating in this search for this couple. We are using all the possible technology also available with us to help us in our endeavor. As you're aware, this is the pre-monsoon area of the time, and Cherrapunji and that entire belt is known for heavy rainfalls. Hence, it's a very, very difficult task as we move along, but we are giving it our best to ensure that we're able to find the couple. The history is like this, that they had gone to different locations, and the bike that they had rented was found on the main road, and it looks like after leaving the bike there and parking it there, they have gone off-road and maybe to hike, and that area where they have went, both sides there are hiking treks, and they're very steep, and of course in this monsoon season possibility of slippery areas also is very high, and therefore the overall area of search is very, very big. But as I said, that we are working very hard. The police, the administration, and most importantly the villagers are all working very hard. We are hopeful that we'll be able to find them, and for us, our tourists are like our family, and especially in Sora area, they've always treated every tourist as to be part of their own family, and hence the entire community today is involved in this, and every single village has offered their help, and they are tirelessly working along with the administration. We are hopeful that, as I said, we'll get positive results and we'll be able to find the couple, and our efforts are on to do that, and I'm personally, as I said, monitoring the whole situation, and we're trying our best to find the couple who went missing a couple of 3-4 days back. Thank you.